In this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp badge count not showing on your Android phone. Start by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. This action will reveal your quick settings menu. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once in settings, scroll down until you find notifications. Tap on it to access all notification-related settings for your apps. Within notifications, look for app notifications and select it. Here you'll find a list of all installed applications that can send notifications. To quickly locate WhatsApp, tap on the search button at the top right corner. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. Once you find WhatsApp in the list, ensure that notifications are enabled. Toggle on the switch next to allow notifications if it's currently off. Finally, make sure that app icon badge is enabled. If it isn't already checked, simply put a checkmark on it. This setting allows your device to display those vital notification counts directly on your app icon. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.